Okay, here is a very brief video with some ideas for multiplication. So this is the one that I talked about the other day where if you take a 3 and you wrap it around an 8, that's 8 times 3, but of course it has to be gold because that's making a gold earring. And what kind of gold earring? A 24 karat gold earring. So if you look on the Gypsy woman, you can see she's got a 24 karat gold earring that's made out of an 8 and a 3 because 8 times 3 is 24. This one is 4 times 8 equals 32, made out of thermometers. And see how it says 4 times 8, 32 degrees. So 4 times 8 is 32. Here's one that is tree times bricks. So a girl driving a car with trees and bricks, like it's like a hurricane. So the trees and the bricks are flying around and they crash into her windshield, which is really sad because she's a new driver. She just got her driver's license when she turned 18. So tree bricks is 3 times 6, and then she's 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. These are the world famous door skates because door rhymes with 4 and skate rhymes with 8. So if you think of these door skates, they're like skates, but they have doors where you put your feet in. I know that's weird, but it works. Anyway, door skates are great. They're really fun for skating, except when it's real icy. So the thing is, when it's 32 degrees out and it's really cold and icy, you can't wear your door skates. So you can wear your door skates all the way down to 32 degrees. I should have put 4 times 8 is 32 on there, but these are old. Okay, and then this is something completely different. This is something that some kids find really, everyone finds it interesting, but some kids find it helpful. So I took a circle and I made it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal parts. The 10 would be back at the 0. So anyway, the thing that's cool about multiplication is, what's going on with my file here? Where's the 2 times table? Here. Okay, so the way it works is if you're doing the 2 times table, you're basically counting by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, like that. But the thing that's cool is you go to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then when you go to the next one, it would be 12. So imagine there's a little 1 in front of the 2, then 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Like the whole times table, it just makes this perfect shape. It's a pentagon. Here's one that's even cooler. This is the 3 times table. So if you do the 3s, it goes 3, then 6, then 9. Then it would go to 12. So you go to the 2 because it would be 1, 2, 12, 15, 18, then up to 1 for 21, 24, 27, and then up to 30. And that forms a, I don't know what you would call that. Let's just call that a snowflake, but it makes a pattern. That's the key. This one is the 4 times table. I like this one. It goes 4, 8. Let me go back here. The 4 times table also works with the 6 times table. So, oh no, this was the 3 times table, my bad. So this one went 3, 6, 9, 12. But the thing that's cool is the 3 is the same as the 7, but you go backwards. So look, it goes 7, then 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. So the 3 and the 7 go together, my bad. Also, I forgot to mention this before, the 2 times table. It's what makes 10. So like 2 and 8 make 10. So the 8 times table goes with the 2 times table. Check this out. It goes 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. It's just something that's kind of cool. We did this one. This is the 4s and the 6s. This one's the 5. So it goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That's kind of cool. And then, but these pictures are something that As long as you relate it to your own experience, it'll make facts easier to remember. And you don't make one for every fact, you just make it for the ones that sometimes give you trouble.